Kunu, come on, let's go.
This is Kunu the Beagle. He's 10 years old. I think we could learn a lot from Kunu. About 4 years ago, he suffered a ruptured disc in his lumbar spine. Paralyzed for months after surgery, I watched this boy's resiliency. He adapted to each new reality he faced as he learned how to walk and run and play again. This road has been long. Today, physically, he's not the same dog he used to be, but he doesn't care. Sure, his stride is more like a bunny hop, and he can't go as far as he used to. None of that matters, because that happy-go-lucky spirit he has never waned. He's excited to hit the trail and smell something new. The adventure he seeks doesn't require a long trek. He's happy with a stroll in a neighborhood park, wandering through creek beds.
Come on, Boo.
He's a natural adventurer, after all. He has what I call his IVDD survivor strut. But sometimes I catch him standing there and just kind of looking around.
Go this way. There you go.
But most of the time, he's just being a beagle, with his nose down, inspecting who's been in this spot. That nose drives him. It leads him to new places and new encounters with the woodland creatures. And as our walk lengthens, his trust in me is complete. He knows that I will do anything for my four-legged best friend. All he has to do is look up at me, signaling that it's time for a break. I scoop him up in my arms, keeping his spine parallel.
He gets a ride.
Puts his paws over my forearms, perched just so that he can still take in his surroundings. Then, when he's ready to resume his walk, he just looks up at me. It's time. I gently put him down, and off he goes, just as sprite as he was before.
Beagle.
You see, the key to Kunu's happiness is just being with me and having our walks and exploring. And as our walk ends, he smiles.